What's up, guys? I'm gonna be unboxing the CASIO SA-46. So let's do this. Let me get it. Let me show you, guys. There's this. Here is it, CASIO. So I already it doesn't have any instruction. And here there will be instructions because I removed it. Just unbox it. So let me get it. Yeah. I'll get it on screen for you guys. Okay. How do you see it? See, like unbox it. First, you have to do this. Okay? So first you have to do this, and see the sides. See this? Open this like this. Okay? Then, wait, guys. Wait. Then this is gonna. And this is gonna open. Then this is gonna open. See? Now you have to do it in the side too. So get that curved thing out. And go to the sides and open. If you don't want to open the other one, you can just drop it. Okay? So it'll look like this now. Then it will look like this. Then it will look like this. See? We open. Then you're gonna get out your wrap here and get it. So here's the piano, and this is not the actual piano. Just there. Now I unbox the pink CASIO SA-46. So see you later, guys. Give me some cookies.